Yo, what's going on, my VVOGs, my Omi homies, my fellow master collectors, and everybody else on YouTube? It's your bromie, the Gale, back at it again with another VV tutorial video. Let's get it. Welcome back, my VV fam. So, shout out to Tropical Bird for that awesome intro video that I used for this video. And that video inspired me to make an augmented reality tutorial video when it comes to VV and their NFTs. I'm going to show you guys how to operate the showrooms, and I'm going to show you guys how to place your vault in augmented reality as well as multiple items in the real world. So without any ado, let's breeze into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to create a showroom. So from the store, you're going to go to your collections, and in the top row here, you're going to look to the top right corner and click that add button. So there's two different types of ways to display your NFTs. You got a gallery showroom and an empty space. We're going to go with the gallery showroom first. So we're going to create a name, whatever you want. I think this time we'll go with subscribe. So if you're not already subscribed and you like the content, feel free to do so now. But yeah, let's create subscribe if I can spell it right. All right, we'll create the showroom. We'll refresh it so that it can show up. Now that it's available for us, we will wait for it to load up. The more items you have in your showroom, the longer it takes to load, just so you know. But this one should come up right away since it's a new showroom. Okay, so once we're here, we click the door to open it. All right, so then we're gonna walk in. And the right toggle is how you view, the left toggle is how you move, and when you operate them together, that's how you navigate the showroom pretty much. So we're going to navigate on out the showroom, and we're going to add our first collectible. So we do that by clicking on that plus button, and we're going to add a uncommon Boba Fett. Takes a couple seconds to load up, and it should appear any second now. There he is, the one and only. So there's two different ways to move your collectibles. There's two different options. So this is option 1, and then this is option 2. So we'll go back to option 1, and yeah, this way to turn it, basically you just like drag your finger across the screen. To move them up and down, you pull on that arrow. You put your finger on the arrow and move it up and down. And then to rotate him, you move your finger up and down on the screen. So this way is it takes time to get used to. I think this way is a little more easier where it's got the toggles on the side here. So the first one is to move. You got your X axis, you got your Z axis, and then you got your Y axis. So basically you just drag your finger on the arrows and what you want him to move. Then you got your rotate. You know, you just drag your fingers on it, and then scale. You basically just pinch your fingers up and down, or in and out rather, and that's how you size up your collectible. So that's pretty much it when it comes to, you know, moving your collectibles in the showroom. The path I just took I think it's the only way to get out of your showroom into the air or into the sky. So that's a little secret right there. And with that, I think that's all we have to show you for the gallery showroom. So let's move on to the empty space. Okay, so we're back in the collection section of the app. We're gonna go back to the top right corner and click add. We're gonna go to the empty space. We're just gonna leave it my showroom and then create showroom. And then we're gonna refresh so that it shows up by pulling down on the screen. That's how you refresh. So now that it's showed up, we're gonna click on it, wait for it to load, and yeah. So it's basically going to be the same thing as the showroom in terms of moving your collectibles and stuff. But this open space is, like it says, it's an open space. It gives you free reign to create whatever your heart desires. Yeah, I mean, we'll just place something in here real quick. Back away from it. Rotate this. Scale it up. I mean, you can really create whatever you want. Hopefully in the future, VV creates more different like type landscape type or like, you know, scenes. I know I thought we were supposed to get the Batcave and stuff like that in the past. Maybe they're taking a while to bring that, but I thought we were supposed to have scenes where we can, like, you know, really make our collectibles come to life. But yeah, this is the open space. As you can see, it's a lot of space. It's almost infinite, but I do think it's limited. But yeah, this is the open space, and everything applies, like I said, with the regular showroom, how you move your items, pinch to scale this down and stuff like that. So with that, we can move on to the augmented reality. Okay, so in this portion of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to put multiple items in augmented reality. So first, you're going to want to pull up a vault, and you're going to want to click on that augmented reality button down below next to the camera. And once you do so, it's going to bring up this red nut as before. And once you see the red net, you're good to place your vault, in which case the door will show. But we're gonna put a few NFTs in augmented reality. So to do that, you're gonna press that plus button at the bottom again, and we're gonna grab the ultra rare Boba Fett. So once you see that red netting, you are good to place your NFT wherever you want, and it'll take a second to load up. And there he is. So same things applies. You can move him, you can spin him, you can size him up, and he'll be in augmented reality. Pretty cool looking. He looks pretty real, man. You can't really tell the difference, you know, if I didn't know any better. But yeah, it looks like he's got his cloak technology. Y'all don't got that. I got that special cloak technology on mine, so you know what I'm saying. So we're okay. So now we want to add another NFT. So we're gonna hit that plus button again. Once we're ready to add another one, you know, let Boba do his thing. He's showing off right now. We're gonna hit that plus button, and we're gonna add a fan favorite. We're gonna add the ultra rare Vader. So we're gonna click on him and let him load up, and we see the red net. So we could basically put him anywhere, wait for him to load up, and there he is in the sky. I guess he's a Skywalker now, but we're going to bring him back down to Earth, and yeah, that's how you put multiple items in augmented reality for the most part. So yeah, you see the cars behind him, so it's pretty effective. Boba showing off that cloaking technology. So yeah, they both moving. People out here think I'm crazy. You know, they can't see the NFTs. I can see them. You know, are the NFTs in the room with you, the gal? But yeah, let's add one more NFT real quick. We're gonna add the Chimichanga truck. Why not? Wait for it to load up real quick, and bam, we're gonna place them down where the red netting is, and see what happens. All right, there it is. So we're gonna size it up. You know, why not? It's a truck. And there she goes. So let's see if we can walk around it. So it looks like we can walk around it. This is some cool stuff here. Very cool stuff. So okay, looks like we can't really put our hand in front of it just yet. Looks like they got to update that technology, but we can spin them around and try to take a chimichanga from them. Yeah, we can try. Yeah, okay, that's all we can do is try. But yeah, that's pretty cool, man. So if you want to put multiple items in augmented reality, you gotta bring up your vault, hit the AR button, and then just hit the plus button. So let's move on to the last section. So now we want to walk around in our vault. So we're gonna bring up the vault and tap that AR button once more. So let's go ahead and tap that, and it's gonna bring you to the scanning point. So you're just gonna want to tap right there. So now you see the vault in AR. So you tap the vault door as it slowly opens, and now instead of using the toggles, I'm able to actually walk inside my vault in real life, and I can walk right up to the pieces as if it's an actual showroom. Now I think this is really cool because I think in the future we're going to be able to use like AR glasses or something like that. So I'm literally walking around. So I'm in my showroom virtually. So let me walk outside. And as you can see, the real world starts to appear. Here's Ultraman and my Unicornos. Here's Batman out here. So I think this is just the future. This is just the beginning, because the app is still in beta. And if we can do all of this while the app is in beta, just imagine what we could do once we get AR glasses and Oculus type technology on board. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So let me walk around the walls real quick. So I'm in an open field, so I have space to do this. It's a little harder to do it inside your house or whatever, unless you have a mansion. Here's one of my prized Todd McFarlane Batmans. Never gonna give it up. I'm walking over the DeLorean here. Here's one of my Ultraman 7s. So yeah, I'm just doing a tour around my vault in the field. People think I'm recording their houses. They have no idea what I'm doing out here. But do I care? No, I don't. Alright, so yeah, that is the vault function for the AR capabilities. If you don't know, now you know. Alright. And that's the video, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you learned something or enjoyed the content, feel free to drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more VV content like this. So that's the current augmented reality features and functions and showroom functions currently on the app. Hopefully this video becomes outdated soon with accessories and other types of showrooms. I can only hope. But for now, this should show you all that you need to know for the most part. So with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say ever is financial advice, because I am learning just like you guys. I am just your friendly neighborhood genius. Sharing his thoughts and opinions on this awesome app known as VV. So take everything that you hear from me with a grain of salt, because things could change. And with that, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out and huddle strong, and remember to be like water, stay liquid. Later.